Midwives, today we pause to say thank you. Thank you for the nights you don't sleep so mothers can rest. Thank you for the calm hands that receive new life and the strong shoulders that carry worry no one else can see. Thank you for walking with women from the shelter to the labor ward, from fear to first cries, from pain to joy. Your work is rarely shouted about, but it echoes in every held baby, every healed mother, every family that goes home whole. You are the heartbeat of our maternity services. On this International Day of the Midwife, we honor your skill, your sacrifice, and your love. Silvaira Hospital stands because you stand. At the bedside, in theater, in the community, vital, brave, and true. May God bless the work of your hands. May you feel today the same hope you give others every day. With deep gratitude and respect, Silvaira Hospital thanks you.